Hi all, welcome to the new video. Today, May 6 is celebrated as International No Diet Day. INDD, International No Diet Day. What is the aim of this, or what is the purpose of this day? So it was the person named Mary Evans Young in the year 1992 brought this concept. So every year May 6 is celebrated as International No Diet Day. The concept of this is that it's an annual celebration of body acceptance or fact acceptance of the body and body shape diversity, as well as the concept of health at any size. So at any size, doesn't matter it is a lean or a fat. So that is the concept of this thing, International No Diet Day, INDD. So it is celebrated annually every year on the day May 6, including the fact that the body acceptance, including the fat acceptance of the body, the shape diversity, as well as the concept of health at any size. So it was by Mary Evans Young in the year 1992. The country was UK, United Kingdom, was the country of Mary Evans Young. And nowadays feminist groups have similar kind of many organizations, so they also celebrate a similar kind of thing, like International No Diet Day. They celebrate in the different countries like US, Australia, even in India. India also it is celebrated, the INDD is celebrated. So since 1998, both the International Size Acceptance Association, means ISAA, means International Size Acceptance Association, and the National Organization for Women, now NOW, National Organization of Women, has sponsored similar days. So what was the goal of INDD? In celebrating International No Diet Day, the participants aim to question the idea of one's right to have a body shape. Like, there are thin people, there are fat people. It depends on the individual. The size is different, and it might be normal for that particular person. But what we see nowadays, that for any comedy programs, to any trolls or anything, what is the thing? What we see is that they put body shaming as a comedy, as a joke. That has become common. Some of the people doesn't react because it's a common thing for them daily. They're hearing from the young days onwards. So nowadays it's becoming a trend, or it's a common thing as a troll. That doesn't make they don't get any comedy or any joke. So they put body shaming as a joke, so everyone laughs. So that is not a good thing. So this goals of INDT was to question the idea of one's body, one's right of body shape, to raise the awareness of weight discrimination, the size bias. There's a bias in the size, like especially the mothers, the child, they'll tell, okay, my child is not eating anything, my child is not that much as good or healthy compared to others. Like in Malayalam we say usharilla. It's a comparison is going on every time from young onwards. Like from the neonate period itself, they start comparing with the body weight, the body size compared to the others. That concept is actually, what is the purpose of the concept? I don't know. In our society especially, they'll ask, my son doesn't have this much weight, my daughter doesn't have this much weight. What's the purpose of that? So actually one of the goal of INDT is to question the idea of one right body shape, to raise the awareness of weight discrimination, the size bias, and fat phobia. Fat phobia is one of the main thing happening in our country. So these are some of the goals of INDT. Also declare a day free from diets and obsessions. So this particular day, at least, they have been given a freedom to have anything. So actually that is not the concept of INDT, I am saying. Okay. So then honor the victims of eating disorders, especially why Mary Evans Young started this day actually because of the anorexia nervosa condition, the eating disorder. Because of that condition, a lot of bullying was done during the school days, and because of these reasons only, in the year 1992, Mary Evans Young planned to start a particular day known as International No Diet Day. So this also, the goal of INDT also helps in to end the weight discrimination, regarding the size issues, also fat phobia. So there were a lot of criticism behind this. A lot of criticism happened because regarding INDT. But ultimately, when you see, the aim of this is very important. Not like only May 6. So some day has to be celebrated. So because of the person Mary Evans Young started in May 6, it is celebrated every year annually on May 6. But the aim of the goal of INDT is very good, because the body shaming has been a very regular thing, frequent thing happening every time here, in every country, every place. Even as I told you, even for a joke they need body shaming. That has been very common nowadays. So it is held in every year in May 6 and is recommended as a marketing technique for restaurant owners, because they get a more number of customers if those are following this particular day. They have complete freedom. They think, okay, we'll enjoy this, we have a celebration on this, they'll have enough of food, whatever they need. There are more customers in the restaurant. The marketing technique is also the goal is good for INDT, because to accept the body size, to accept the health of a person, who it depends on the person, because we cannot tell this person is fat, this person is, yes, there is a BMI, there is a body mass index to calculate, Kotler's formula is there, Kotler's index is there, that is good for us, but you cannot troll a person, or you cannot bully a person for being fat or becoming very thin. That is the aim of this. Okay, so accept the body size, it's the main goal of INDT. It's a kind of information what we know we can pass to others, so I think it was helpful. Thank you all.